Let's take a look at question number 3 and 4. We want to find out the value that completes the squared, and then we're going to rewrite this as a perfect square. So to complete the squared, my first term must have a 1, which in my case I do have a 1, so that's good. Then I look at the middle term, 19. Numbers wise is 19. And I think, what's the half of that? Let me deal with fractions. So I'm going to say that the half of it is 19 over 2. So I would rather deal with fractions. Now, squared that number. 19 over 2 times 19 over 2. I know 19 times 19 is 361. So I'm going to think 361 over 2 times 2 is 4. So that's the number that completes the square. That gives me a perfect square. So now here it was, the first question was find a value that completes the squared. I'm just going to say 361 over 4. That's the number that completes the square. Let me put a column. I'm going to type in a space. Then it says complete the squared. I'm just going to say r plus 19 over 2 squared. I think of what's the half of the middle term. As long as my first term is 1, what's the half of the middle term? And then square it. That's what completes a square. All right, let's take a look. What if I don't have fractions? So 42, I think what's the half of 42? It's 21. And then I'm going to go 21 times 21. And that gives me 441. That is what completes by square. So the first question was, the first part was, which number completes a squared? I'm going to say 441. Now let me write this as a perfect squared. M plus 21 all squared. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get a perfect square. I want to have a trinomial, so 3 terms, but I wanted that such that if I factor it, I get a perfect square.